Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you what the Jamaican orange is all about and what the Jamaican orange looks like. It's different to R1. R1 has the orange peel on the outside. R1 has the brown peel on the outside. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on the tree. Then I'm going to pick one and cut it and show you what it looks like on the inside. Right everybody, so this is what the Jamaican oranges look like on the tree. You can see they're green, then they turn into a bronzy colour like that. So that's what they look like on the tree. So I'm going to pick one and then see if it's ripe. I'm not too sure on these, but I'll give it a go and see what's on the inside of them. Right everybody, so this is what the Jamaican orange looks like. You have to bear with me if my head's cut off a bit because I'm trying to film everything myself. This is what it looks like, the Jamaican orange. And where you cut into it, you can see this. This is what the flesh inside looks like. So it's different to our orange. R1 is more, the flesh inside of R1's is more orangey colour. This one's a lot like a beigey sort of colour. But that's what they look like inside. Gonna just see if this one's sweet. You just cut them and this one is more, the strands, the juice strands inside are more solid than our ones. But one thing about them, they're really sweet. That is really sweet. Could have been ripe a bit more. Could have been a bit more ripe, but they're very sweet. So that's what the Jamaican orange is about. We have them for breakfast. Over here in Jamaica, everything is more accessible. Anything what you want, when it's in season, you can just go out and pick what you want. If you want different tea bushes, there's different tea bushes. Some of these trees you can use the leaves on them, so you've got access to most things what you want. So this is just a little short video showing you what the Jamaican orange is like, to watch them chickens. Can hear the chickens in the background. They're my uncles. They're always coming over. These are some of the sweetest oranges you can you can get. They're so sweet. And this is what I'm having for my breakfast. I hope to get some other fruits while I'm here. The roads are bad, so I can't really get around like how I want to. So that's the Jamaican orange. If you like what you're seeing, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. Please remember to go over to my cooking channel, Cooking with D, where you're going to see some authentic Jamaican cooking coming out soon. I'm going to be doing both gardening and cooking videos, so you can watch them on both channels. The ones what I'm showing the fruits and all that will be on the gardening channel, and the cooking channel will be showing me doing Jamaican cooking. So I hope you all enjoy this one. That's the Jamaican orange for you, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.